The ETOSHA HVLP spray gun kit is expertly designed to minimize overspray and improve material efficiency with its specialized high-volume, low-pressure technology. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the nozzles ensure durability and ease of cleaning, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and professionals. With 3 different nozzle sizes and adjustable fluid, mode, and air pressure controls, this kit offers versatility for a wide range of painting tasks. Ideal for applying base coats, clear coats, and other thick coatings, this kit is also suitable for automotive detailing and home improvement projects. Included in the package are 3 spray guns with cups, a carrying case, and various accessories such as cleaning brushes and extra filters, ensuring you have everything needed for a comprehensive painting experience. The ETOSHA Spray Gun Kit is a well-rounded choice for those looking to achieve professional results in both domestic and industrial settings.